What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another flippin' upload. So to get started, I actually don't know what day Vlogmas we're on because we missed the past maybe 5 days. I'm so sorry. I messed up because of my whole Snapchat situation. I'm sorry. But I think we're gonna put my truck into the street. As you can see, it is snowing. The trees have snow on it, so now I'm gonna get some pictures of my truck, which is in the back of the driveway, which we have to move out to the street. My birthday was the other day, and my dad got me a remote start. Guys, look at this. Look at the snow. Look at my truck. Guys, look at this. You guys can't even see the middle of the field. I know it's like somewhere right here. Guys, where's the snow at? Wait, what? Okay, so I'm just seeing that little part, and I just noticed I just had a voice crack. I can't see any grass. I don't know if I'm gonna be at work today. You're watching this, and if I did go to work, I'm home already. Bro, it's crazy out here. So guys, what I think I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna put all my Christmas stuff on. So here we go. It's not completely done yet, but we got a big nutcracker. We got snowman that's falling down, a helicopter spinny. And guys, I don't know if I'm gonna be going to work tomorrow, but you're watching this right now. Look at my truck. It's covered. Look at this. Maybe a year and a month. Yeah, today is a year and a month. Guys, when I was done work, there was literally nothing on the ground. Literally nothing. And now look at it. Just look at it. The whole street needs to be plowed. So now we're gonna go inside. Oh my gosh. 8:30 right now. Hey guys, so I think it's like 8:30 right now. Back on Vlogmas. Snow vlog. I forgot to post. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so you never miss an upload. And just like that, this vlog is over. You know what that means. Your boy is out.
Look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if